Alright, y'all, what's going on? It's your boy Dose of J here, back again with another video for you guys today. How you guys doing? If you guys are doing good, smash that like button to let me know that you guys are good and alright. So we finally got the part that we needed, and of course, that's the hood latch cable. Can't find this thing anywhere, and on any Del Sol, it's always rather torn or something has happened to it. So, I mean, I just gave in, just went to Honda. Due to the fact that this is discontinued, so they don't make this one anymore. They make it for the other older Civics, but for some reason the Del Sol is like discontinued. But however, they had one more. So shout out to Honda for being the plug. So obviously, change that old torn hood latch cable in for this new OEM one. Now, I never changed a hood latch cable before, and on the forums it said that's pretty a pain in the butt on the Del Sol to do. However, I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to give it a try. I'm just letting the car run right now because I haven't started it in a while. So just letting it, you know, go ahead and run for a little bit. Then we'll go ahead and dive into things. So I'm kind of seriously annoyed now. I just told you guys that the hood latch cable was torn or whatever. Check this out. So we just locked the hood. Check this out. I can't believe this. Pull on it, and the hood just popped up. So I literally just wasted my money. Keep in mind, guys, that I tried this before and it was not working like at all. It would not pop. But now that I started recording and ordered the part already, now all of a sudden the hood latch cable is working absolutely perfect. No issue. Maybe when it comes down to this project car, it has a mind of its own and it just works when it wants to. Today's a new day. I actually stopped filming after that, so what you're seeing from here on now is now a totally different day. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the hood. It's been way too long and I don't want to really waste any more time, so I'm gonna go ahead and just throw that on. And I pretty much already have it on. I just need to go and tighten it down, so I'm just gonna do that real quick for you guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the some other stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go do that, and then let me just knock that out real quick, and then we'll go ahead and do something else. Alright, so we just went ahead and tightened up all the bolts for the hood. We put the hood on, so the hood is officially on now. So now I'm just gonna test it out, popping the hood. Let's see how it does. All lifting up. Go ahead, put this down, and voila, guys, hood is on. Lines up perfectly with the lining of the fenders. All of that. But yeah, guys, the hood turned out absolutely so sick. Looks so good. I actually seen something on Facebook Marketplace about a guy wanting to trade a carbon fiber hood for just a stock hood. So I don't know, should I do that or should I just keep this one? I mean, the carbon fiber would be cool, but I mean, I do want this car all in one color, not just carbon fiber. I have the old one right here. Maybe I can just trade him this one and see what he does, see if he'll take it, but I'm not too sure right now what I will do. No more rust up at the top, all nice. And once the body shop takes care of it, damn, it's gonna look so good. Push it down. There we go. Locked. Boom. Perfectly aligned. Look at that. Couldn't have got it any better, especially for first try. I have the fenders, if you guys remember, for this side and the other side, so I don't know if I should put those on or if I shouldn't. I think I shouldn't because body shop has to paint them anyway and take them off, so it wouldn't make any sense to have them on, so I think I'll leave that for now. I took out the nozzles, so I couldn't find any, so I just went with these ones. Let's just take a quick moment to admire how good the hood came out. It looks so nice. Quick, easy job. Knocked in that, hooked it up, back in. Oops, over here, that one's back in. Over at the top. We got both of them right up there. Let's drop it. Oh, let's see. Cool. Just want to make sure they're straight enough, or if it's like even a slight bit angled, I don't know. There we go, guys. Hood install done. Cool. So now it's all in. New hood looking so sweet. I absolutely love this thing. You guys don't understand. Been going through some hell with it, obviously, but oh my gosh, boy, do I love this car so damn much. It is so sick. Just seeing this is pumping me so much because I can't wait until this thing is like painted and all that stuff, and then, you know, all the real mods and stuff can begin. Seems to be alright. Seems to be good. Seems to be no leaks. So like I was saying, it's like a very slow leak. So it's nothing like, oh my god, crazy, but it is leaking a bit. Outside, the hood looks absolutely amazing. Couldn't have gone on any better. Oh yeah, guys, it's amazing. So good. There you go, guys. Del Sol is making some progress, making moves. Not crazily, but you know, not so quick, but you know, slowly but surely. Anyway, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Dose of J, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And fun fact, the quality might be up because we got the camera, we got the laptop, you know, we got the setup. So the next time you guys see another video, it should look a little bit better and a little bit more crispier. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's